In this video, we are going to see about our R15 chain kit in Rolon brand. This pack comes in brown color, mentions its specifications at top, and the part number is given. This chain kit is a brass-coated chain kit where the chain is golden in color. Let's unbox this chain kit and see what is given in the box. The salient features of this kit are its corrosion resistant, looks aesthetic, enhanced wear resistance due to quadruple sealing with high fatigue strength. For maintenance, please use chain lube for every 500 kilometers. It has a rear wheel sprocket, a gearbox sprocket, and a chain coated with brass plating. This rear wheel sprocket comes in black color, and this sprocket is induction hardened with 6 equispaced holes. Comes with 6 holes for fitment with 42 teeth. Next, let's open the chain and gearbox part. Here the gearbox sprocket has 2 holes for fitment with the shaft. The GB sprocket has involute spline with rubber bonding with 14 teeth. This is the visual thickness of this sprocket. Later we can measure about this. Now, let's see the chain. This chain is brass plates, so looks in gold color. It comes with pre-applied lubricant. The Rolon logo is mentioned in all the chain links and the plates. This chain has X-rings where you can see the O-ring here clearly. This O-ring is present between every links, as you can see there. Also, the roller are present between the chain plate, also you can see its rotation. Measuring the thickness of every component with vernier caliper. The thickness of the rear wheel sprocket is 6.77 millimeters. The thickness of the gearbox sprocket is 6.94 millimeters. Now measuring the chain. The plate thickness is 1.94 millimeters in the middle. The same repeats on both the side. Measuring this thickness of the roller present between the plates, we get 8.49 millimeters of thickness. Let's check the weight if this chain kit separately for every part and together. The weight of the gearbox sprocket is 101 grams. The weight of the rear sprocket is 715 grams. The weight of the brass chain is 1 kilogram 326 grams. Now measuring the total weight of the chain kit. It weighs about 2 kilograms 141 grams. These are the close-up shots of the chain kit. If you need this chain kit, you can purchase at twowheelerspairs.com, and the product link is given in the description. If you are replacing a chain kit for R15, will you prefer this chain kit? Please say us in the comment section. If you like this video, subscribe us to watch more contents.